Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening Outlook and going straight to Calendar. Sign in if needed. Once there, pick the exact date and time for the item you want to remind yourself about. Create a new appointment or new task. Use a concise title that explains the action. Then set start and end times and choose a sensible duration so the reminder won't be skipped. Make sure to select the correct account and calendar because reminders only fire for the calendar you save into. Next, configure the reminder specifics so it behaves exactly as you expect. In the appointment or task window, use the reminder drop-down to pick when the alert appears, minutes, hours, days, or a custom offset. If this repeats, click Recurrence and define the pattern and end date. Add useful metadata, a location, detailed notes, attendees if relevant, and a category color so you visually spot it. Once done, double-check time zones and save or send to apply the reminder. Finally, save the appointment or task and watch for the scheduled notification to confirm it's active. Make sure your device notifications are enabled for Outlook and that Windows Focus Assist or Do Not Disturb is not blocking alerts. If a reminder doesn't show, restart Outlook first, then reopen the item and reset the reminder time. Sometimes toggling it fixes the trigger. If problems persist, rebuild your Outlook profile or clear cached credentials. That often resolves persistent reminder failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.